So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And as you can see, I have opened up NVIDIA NIMS platform and GLM 5.2 free endpoint is available. That is the free API key that NVIDIA provides for most of the open source model is now available for GLM 5.2 as well. The best open source model released ever, and the by par, as you can see, it is just rate limited 40 requests per minute, but you can use the API unlimited time given at a given speed. So let's try out the API. Let's test it out whether how fast it is and how you can use it. So let's get started. You click on GLM 5.2. Don't worry, I have already copied the link in the comment section so you can check it out. Here is the code given by the team z.ai GLM 5.2. If you see here, you can see the capabilities also. Parameters send 53 billion. You can't run this model locally if you are a consumer grade GPU, but now you can with the free API key. Function calling is not supported. Structure output is not supported. Reasoning is also not supported here. As you can see, deploy ready to scale. Choose your deployment path as well. GLM 5.2 is a flagship LLM for agentic workflows, coding and long horizon reasoning tasks. And here's the code. Here is the API key for myself. To create the API key, you first of all need to log in. So kindly log in into NVIDIA NIMS platform. The link is in the comment section below. I would be deleting this API key, so don't try to copy this. Once you click on generate API key, copy the codes, and I'll be moving to Google Colab now. As you can see, the codes are here, and I've asked it, hey, who are you? And here you can see the answer is coming. Hi there, I'm a language model developed by z.ai, designed to assist with answering questions and providing helpful information. Now to show you up with how powerful it is, how fast this API key is. What is 2 minus 3 plus 4? I'm asking it basic questions, my friends. GLM 5, just see, crazy speed. I think before I was stopping to speak also, we have got an answer. This is very fast. Let me try out something else. Tell me about India. This is very fast API. India, officially known as Republic of India, is a country located in South Asia. It is able to write an entire essay before I complete my video also. So here the free API for GLM 5.2 is available. Do grab it before everyone grabs it. It's free. Do try it out and let me know in the section how you feel about GLM 5.2, the best open source model released ever. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.